Yeah.
The teams are on top of the tank. Are you going to need spare? Hold on. Holy shit. It's pouring hail. Now it's raining. Give me a Ziploc baggie.